This is 1131 Stringers Ridge, Unit 5G, 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, available August 1st, ready to move into. We got a spacious living area, living dining combined. Opens onto the balcony with views of the city beyond. And Lookout Mountain over this way. Head through to the updated kitchen. Plenty of cabinet space, stainless steel appliances, tile floors, storage closet here. We'll go down the hall to the bedrooms here. Two spacious bedrooms with the same views of the city and the mountains. Master suite includes a walk-in closet, and a full bathroom. Some additional storage space here at the end of the hall, and across the hall, an additional full bathroom. And then back down the hall to the living space where we began. And this concludes our tour of 1131 Stringers Ridge, Unit 5G.